This is our fencing pillars. The Y cutter opening at 20 degrees. Cutting distance goes up to 0.4 inch. Two sharp objects on the handle enable to pull nail and Y with ease. Suitable for cutting chains, Y, mesh, thread rod, having gauged Y, etc. in shop, home, or service field. The Y cutter uses job-forged hardness alloy steel jaws. Through integral heat treatment and high-frequency quenching treatment for high hardness, black oxide finish could anti-corrosion. Cutting edge hardness about 46 HRC. The level design for excellent cutting performance. No slip plastic soft handle can be held firmly when your hands are wet. Spring could help you open cut easily. The Y latch holders hands together when not used occupy less space. It could save you cost. Reinforced rivets allow pillars to be attached tightly and will not drop easily, ensuring a long service life. The ergonomic hardness helps prevent hand drop during using.